First question is, draw a line AB, take a point C outside it. So let us draw a line. This is the line. We can say this is AB. Then we take a point C outside. Here we have taken the point A, then B. So this is line AB. Then after that, we take a point. We can name this point as C. So here you can see this is the point C. So after that, we join this A and C. Okay. Then after we have joined A and C, then at this point A, we draw an arc. Okay. So with this point A as center, we draw an arc. After this, we draw one another arc, taking this as center, this side. So this is arc this side. Then after, what we need to do? We need to measure this distance with the help of compass. So with this, we need to measure this distance. Then with taking this point as a center, we draw another arc this side. So this is the arc from this point. So then after taking this point and the point C, we draw a line with the help of this point and this C point. We draw a line. This is the line. So we can name it also. Let it be P. So PC is a line which is parallel to AB. PC is a line which is parallel to AB. Okay. So in this way, we construct a parallel line. So this is about question number 1. The same can be done with question number 2 also. So this is all about the construction of question number 1. We can go to the next page, or we can do it again. Okay. This is L point. On this L point, we draw an arc. Okay. So then after, we draw 90 degree. We take an arc from this point and from this point also. So from these 2 points, we have taken this arc. Then we join L. So this is a perpendicular. You can see. Then after, we have on this perpendicular, take point X 4 centimeter from L. So from here to 4 centimeter. So using the scale, we have taken this is 4 centimeter. Now at this 4 centimeter, let it be X, draw a line M parallel to L. So we have to draw the line. So taking this as center, we have drawn arc. Then after taking this as center, we draw another arc. Then taking this as a center, we measure this distance. The same cut we will do using this point as this, using this point as center. We will take an arc. So we get arc here. So we have to join these 2 points with the help of scale. So this line is M. This line is M, which is parallel to L at a distance of 4 centimeter. So this is the construction of question number 4. Here, then further we take the point P. This is P, which is not on L. Then we have to, this is point L. Let L be line P upon naught and L. Through P, draw a line M parallel to L. Now join P to any point Q on L. Okay. So we take here a Q point and we join this one. Okay. So let us see. This is the line. So we have to draw M parallel to L. So this is the L line. Then we have to draw a parallel line here. For the parallel line, this is L. With this point L, we draw an arc here, or we construct an angle, and on other side also we will construct an angle. So this is an arc. Then after we take the PS point and draw another arc, another opposite side. This is the other arc on P. This arc is from the P, center P, opposite side. Okay. Then after we measure this distance with the compass, and with taking this point as a center, we draw an arc. This is an arc with this radius. Then we join these 2 points, this point and this point, P. We have joined these 2 points, this point of intersection, and this point P. So now you can see this is the line parallel to L. This line is M. We can name it this also M. Then again we have to choose another point R on M. We have to choose a point R here on this line M. This is M. Okay. Further after in this case, we have taken this point R. Then again we have to draw a line through R. A line we have to draw which is parallel to this PQ. We name it, we write here Q. So we have to draw a parallel. What we need to do? We take an arc this side, and we take from this R as center other side. Then again we draw it again, taking this as center. Now this is parallel. We can name this line. So the point of intersection, this is S. We can name it as S. We can name it as S. Let me draw here S. Okay. So in this way we get a now what is saying? What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? Name of this shape. So PRSQ. This is a parallelogram. We can name it as PRSQ is a parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay. So this is all about question number 3.